The counterintuitive hook. What if I told you that the secret to breathing clearly during peak allergy season is actually a sticky, pungent jar of fermented bacteria? Forget the over-the-counter pills that make you drowsy and fog your brain. This ancient tonic uses natural enzymes to build an instant fortress around your immune system. Before we get into the remedy, let's quickly understand something important. Seasonal allergies are exploding worldwide. Pollen levels are higher than ever. Air pollution irritates the immune system, and many people's bodies are simply overreacting to harmless particles like pollen. When this happens, your immune system releases histamines. Histamines cause sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, sinus congestion, throat irritation. Most allergy medications try to block histamines. But garlic and honey do something interesting. They help calm the immune system itself. And that's where this ancient remedy comes in. Why garlic is powerful for allergies. Garlic has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations used it to fight infections, boost immunity, and clear respiratory problems. Here's why garlic works. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. Allicin has powerful properties: anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiviral. Immune balancing research shows garlic can reduce inflammation in the respiratory system, which helps relieve congestion and sinus irritation. But garlic alone is strong, sometimes too strong for the stomach. Why raw honey helps with allergies. Raw honey is not just sweet. It's actually one of nature's most complex foods. It contains natural enzymes, antioxidants, trace pollen particles, anti-inflammatory compounds. Some experts believe that consuming small amounts of local pollen through raw honey may help the body gradually become less sensitive to seasonal allergens. Think of it like training your immune system to stay calm. But when garlic and honey are fermented together, something even more powerful happens. Why fermentation makes this remedy stronger? Fermentation is an ancient process used to preserve foods and increase their health benefits. When garlic sits in raw honey for several days, natural enzymes activate, beneficial compounds increase. The garlic becomes less harsh. The mixture becomes easier to digest. The result is a powerful immune-supporting tonic that many people use during allergy season. Now let's talk about how to make it. Step-by-step recipe. Very important. You only need 3 things: fresh garlic cloves, raw unfiltered honey, a clean glass jar. Here's the exact process. Step 1. Peel about 1 full bulb of garlic. Step 2. Lightly crush each clove using the side of a knife. This activates the beneficial compounds inside the garlic. Step 3. Place the garlic cloves inside a clean glass jar. Step 4. Pour raw honey over the garlic until everything is fully covered. Step 5. Close the jar loosely and store it at room temperature. Over the next few days, something interesting will happen. You'll notice tiny bubbles forming. That means fermentation has started. After about 5 to 7 days, your garlic honey ferment is ready. And it can last several months if stored properly. How to use it for allergies. When allergy symptoms begin, try this. Take 1 teaspoon of the honey each morning. You can also eat 1 fermented garlic clove if you can tolerate it. Some people take it twice daily during heavy allergy season. Many report benefits like reduced sinus congestion, less sneezing, clearer breathing, fewer itchy eyes. And the best part is that this remedy also supports overall immune health. Important mistake to avoid. Here's the mistake many people make. They used processed honey from the grocery store. Most commercial honey has been heated and filtered, which destroys the beneficial enzymes. For this remedy to work properly, you must use raw, unfiltered honey. Local honey is even better if available. Here's a bonus tip many people don't know. You can add a small amount of fresh ginger or turmeric to the mixture. These ingredients add even more anti-inflammatory power. This combination creates a powerful natural immune tonic. Even though this remedy is natural, a few people should be cautious. Avoid this remedy if you have a garlic allergy, are taking blood-thinning medications, have a compromised immune system. Always consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure. To summarize, garlic and honey fermentation is simple. Gather your ingredients, chop garlic, mix them with honey, ferment, and enjoy. This ancient remedy offers fast relief from seasonal allergies. Nature has always provided powerful remedies, and sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. Garlic and honey have been used for centuries to support immunity, fight inflammation, and help the body stay balanced. When fermented together, they create a powerful natural tonic that many people use during allergy season. And the best part? It's simple, affordable, and made with ingredients you probably already have. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Here we share simple natural remedies, health tips, and ancient wellness secrets that still work today. Have you ever tried garlic and honey ferment before? And if you haven't, would you be willing to try it this allergy season? Click to subscribe for more natural health tips. Share your experiences using this remedy in the comments below. Embrace the power of nature today.